Control that shot.
Sa inyo, bagitong Pinoy na boksingero, napakatindi nito, sinakop niya ang buong United Kingdom, knockout lahat ng kalaban, speed, power, timing, footwork at killer instinct, lahat ay pinagsama-sama na sa batang Pinoy na ito, kaya ang ending, palakpakan at napahanga si Babarom at buong Europa sa galing ng batang Pinoy na ating bida. At dahil sa husay niya makipaglaban sa ibabaw ng lona, na in love sa kanya ang isa sa pinakasikat at pinakamagandang ringer ni Ed Hearn at sa buong Europa, ang model at ringer na si Macy Wallace. Talaga namang higit pa sa nanalo sa loto ang ating boksingero.
Parang mening di ang kanyang katawan, ang sarap mong di.
Si Thomas Whelan o mas kilala bilang Tom Whelan ay ang tinaguri ang The Atomic Bomb ng United Kingdom. Dugong Pinoy ang boxer na ito. Ang kanyang ina ay isang Pilipino na galing ng Cebu at ang kanyang ama ay taga United Kingdom. Ang boxer na ito ay lumaban sa Olympic para sa gintong medalya at ang Pilipinas ang kanyang nerepresenta. Sino ba naman ang hindi magiging halimaw sa ibabaw ng lona? Grabing pagsasanay at disiplina ang pinagdaanan niya, kaya bagsak lahat ng kalaban sa kamao niya. Speed, power, timing at killer instinct, halos lahat na yata ng katangian ng isang complete boxer ay nasa kanya na, kaya kinatakutan ito ngayon sa buong Europa. Ang una niyang nakalaban, si Francisco Rodriguez ng Espanya. Napakalakas nito at aggressive boxer pa, pero round 4 lang palang itatagal nito sa ating bida. Round number 1, grabing solidong mga kamao at
Tricks here, Barry.
Yeah, Wellens come up with that,
But apart from that, he's the four as well.
number 4, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Ang limit sa impresibong panalo ng ating pambato. Habang nanonood ng laban ay na-inlove sa ating bida ang isa sa pinakamagandang ringer na diwata na si Macy Wallace ng Matchroom Promotion. At sa ring walkout ay ine-escort pa ang ating boksingero ng diwatang ito.
Kiss love ng iyong mata.
Sumunod niyang nakalaban ay si Esteban Trox ng Panama. Napakatangkad nito, powerhouse at mukhang halimaw talaga, pero round 2 lang pala siya sa ating bida. Round number 1, gigil na gigil ang matangkad na kalaban na pabagsakin ng ating kababayan, pero maingat po ang ating pambato at binugbog ang kalaban nito.
Very good.
Oh, he certainly has. It'll be a good fight tonight.
It looks so loose and that jab. One of those amateurs, Priya, always had a...
His opponent's down, he edges his feet in, but he knows work as well.
From Welland. Church, by the way, very, very deep already in his first fight outside Panama, and again that slashing right hand to the body and then a
Getting behind the jab and
Welland said he had to throw his shorts away. Closing 10 seconds then of a very impressive opening round, and again he slashes to the body of Trutch. Huge right to the head and then a right cross, great power from Welland.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ng ating pambato ang paghihirap ng matangkad na kalaban nito. 2 beses itong babagsak at tuluyang mawawasak sa ating boksingero.
Very, very quickly, this just his third. There's a lot to like about the foot movement as well of Welland. Gets himself in and out of ring.
power in those shots.
Trutch tried to land a massive overhand right there. Another huge booming right hand, and then follows that with a right cross to the jaw. And that work to the body. I know it's only a 4-rounder, but it may yet pay dividends. All the time.
Coming out of the nose of Trutch. I think Welland's looking to stop this.
Yeah, he's game, and he's brave. But Welland moves forward again with purpose. The referee's having a long look now. The legs are unsteady. Another booming right hand. How much more of this does Trutch need to take?
Sumunod niyang nakalaban sa bansang United Kingdom ay si Darwin Martinez ng bansang Nicaragua. Napakalaki nito at pinabagsak rin lahat ng nakalaban niya, pero round 2 lang din siya sa ating bida.
Come along, watching on his sister Ella, Tom Welland, Atomic Tom, 5-0 coming into this. Darwin Martinez, man that we should remember, is still only 20 years of age.
Attacks there, he's going to try to takes his feet out.
And from Martinez, interesting to see Welland using that jab to the body. Agua in Nicaragua.
See for what?
Tom Welland with his hands full here, falls short with that right hand.
His footwork there for Martinez, skipping all the distance.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. 3 beses babagsak ang pambato ng Nicaragua mula sa ating bida.
It's the real live wire of an opponent here. Welland again, dipping the legs, this time throwing that jab to the body, the background.
Little feint with the feet there from Welland. Inch or two on that right hand when he throws it. Just brings that back hand, and Welland made him pay with a left hook. He did step back, roll underneath. Martinez can throw that shot. Oh,